Most developers think database normalization is just one step, but second and third normal forms solve completely different dependency problems. Let's break down the key differences. Both forms build on first normal form, which requires atomic values and no repeating groups. Each normal form is a prerequisite for the next, creating a progressive refinement of your schema. Second normal form eliminates partial dependencies. This means every non-key attribute must depend on the entire primary key, not just part of it. This issue only exists when you have a composite key made of multiple columns. If an attribute depends on just one column of that composite key, it violates 2NF. The solution is to split the table so each non-key attribute depends on the full key. Third normal form eliminates transitive dependencies. This means non-key attributes cannot depend on other non-key attributes. If column A determines column B and column B determines column C, then C is transitively dependent on A through B. In 3NF, every non-key attribute must depend directly on the primary key, with no intermediate steps through other columns. Here's a concrete example. Imagine an order details table with order ID and product ID as a composite key. If you store the product category there, it only depends on product ID, violating 2NF. Move category to a products table. Now suppose you add a customer zip code that determines the customer city. City depends on zip, not the order ID, so that violates 3NF. Move zip and city to a customers table. Remember, second normal form removes partial dependencies on composite keys, while third normal form removes transitive dependencies between non-key attributes. Master these, and you'll design cleaner databases. Practice more questions at Interview Mentor. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.